Namaskar. One thing that I want to tell you that most people don't know is that yoga gives instant results. I am Dr. Ajay, Naturopathy doctor and yoga professional. I started learning yoga since my age 14 and I am teaching yoga since 2018. In yoga, there are selected techniques. These techniques are taught in a Gurukula method, in a traditional way, that gives us instant results. Instant results, we see the results that day itself. I am going to be teaching these techniques from the beginning in the upcoming video lessons. So, stay connected. Thank you. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.